Hello, today we are going to go through the operation and use of the gastric suction machine. This is intermittent gastric suction. Here I have all the supplies you'll need as well as your suction machine. I'm going to show you the jar that goes in that connects to your suction machine. The jar has a lid and it has a bottom. When you're putting this together, you need to make sure that everything goes together tightly. As with any suction, if everything's not connected tightly, you will not get good suction. So when you're putting your lid on, you want to make sure that it snaps on tight. Your jar will fit into a wire holder which is located in the back of the suction machine. It just fits right in like that. Also, if you look at the top of the suction machine, you have two outlet ports. You have a tubing that will connect from a filter that is twisted into the suction machine to the top port of your suction container. You want to make sure that everything gets put on nice and snugly. You have a longer hose that's going to connect to the patient outlet on your jar. It's the same on both ends. One end will connect to the jar and the other end will connect to an adapter that's going to connect to your patient. So now you're ready to connect your patient and begin. There's two settings on your suction machine, either 90 or 120. That will be determined by your physician which setting you're going to put that at. So when I turn this on, what's going to happen is the light's going to flash on and off as the unit starts to suction. Now it will take about 4 to 5 minutes to actually start suctioning contents out of your patient because it will take that long to get all the air out of the jar and the tubing system. So that's what you'll see. The light will flash on and off. You'll see the contents slowly moving through. And so that's pretty much all there is to that part of it. I'm going to shut this off now. Now you're going to want to be careful that you don't overfill your container. If you overfill the container, the unit's going to stop functioning correctly. I'm going to show you when you empty your container, you just disconnect all your hoses and you're going to take the lid off carefully and you're going to empty out your container. Now there's a filter on the top of the lid, and if this filter gets wet, that is by overfilling your container, that's what's going to cause the suction to stop. The filter does screw out so it can be replaced, and you want to take care when you're emptying out the jar that you're not getting this filter wet. Now all the jar and the tubing and everything except for the filter can be washed in a mild soapy water. And you'll just have to know to empty the jar as it gets about halfway full. It's just going to depend on how much contents you are actually suctioning out. So that is how to use the intermittent gastric suction. I hope this has helped you. If you have any further questions, please call us at Midwest Medical at 763-780-0100. Thank you.